Your footer is one of the most ignored sections on a website, but it's also where customers look for trust. Your policies, your support links, categories, contact details. A messy footer makes your whole store feel unfinished. So in this video, I'll show you how to build a clean, structured, and fully responsive footer in WordPress using Elementor and UAE, complete with menus, brand info, and support links, all designed the right way from the start. To begin building footer, open your WordPress dashboard and locate UAE, short for Ultimate Addons for Elementor. Click on the UAE dashboard, then select Create Header Footer. Click Add New to create a new template and name it Footer. Set the template type to Footer and the Display On condition to Entire Website. Then click Publish. After that, click Edit with Elementor to start building it. Inside the Elementor editor, create a 4-column layout. In the first column, you're going to add an image widget and upload your brand, logo or icon. Resize it to fit neatly into the column space. Below it, add a text editor widget and type your store's address or a short about paragraph describing your brand. For the remaining 3 columns, we'll display navigation links. In each column, start by adding a heading widget and typing titles such as quick links, categories, or customer support. Below each heading, add a navigation menu widget. At first, you'll only see your main menu, so we'll need to create new ones. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, open Appearance, and click Menus. Create 2 additional menus, one named Categories and another named Customer Support. Add the appropriate links under each. For example, under Categories, you might include links to product categories or featured collections. Under Customer Support, you might add About Us, FAQs, Privacy Policy, or Terms and Conditions. Click Save Menu for each one. Return to the Elementor editor and refresh the page so the new menus appear in the drop-down options. In each navigation menu widget, select the appropriate menu. With the footer content finalized, we're going to move on to making footer responsive for all devices. Switch to Mobile View Editor in Elementor using the device icon at the bottom of the panel. You might notice that the navigation menus collapse into a hamburger icon, which doesn't look ideal in the footer. Select each navigation menu widget, open the layout settings and change Breakpoint to None. This ensures the links remain visible instead of collapsing. Adjust padding on all sides, especially left and right, to improve spacing and keep the content neatly aligned. Finally, preview footer on multiple devices, desktop, tablet, mobile. Check that the logo stays clear, the menu links are readable, and that the spacing between elements is consistent. Make small refinements to padding or font sizes if necessary, then click Update to save your changes. When that's done, you should have a footer like this, and they should be fully responsive and active across your entire WooCommerce store. If you don't see them on your site, then make sure they're actually set as the global header and footer of your site by using the UAE dashboard. I've also linked all the plugins and tools that I used in this video down in the description, so you can quickly go through them and import everything you want. See you in the next one.